Welcome back to AutoCAD in 20 hours. This video covers section 6.3. Visit www.AutoCAD in 20 hours for your free trial and more information. Check your YouTube settings, and under the quality setting, set it to HD if possible. It may or may not be possible. It depends on the speed of your internet connection. In this section, we are going to set up a plotter. So this is where we left off last time. We were here on the paper space layout. Come up to the top and click on File. And then we're going to click on the Plotter Manager. There we go. It's taking a minute to load up. It's taking quite some time to load up. There we go. And in this window that opens up, find your Add a Plotter selection and click on it. Double click on it. Give it a minute. And here the Add a Plotter introduction page comes up. We're mostly interested in this next button. Most things are going to be already set the way we want, but click on the next button here. Set it up for whichever of these applies to you. It's going to be My Computer for people working on their own computers. Next. Now here's where we're going to select the model. So I'm going to set it up for Xerox, and this one is the one that the local printing shop uses, is this 8830. So I'm going to select that, hit the next button. This is not really something we need to be too concerned with right now. So click the next button. Now this is very important here. You need to select this plot to file button in the middle. This is a radio button. These are radio buttons. And that's very important. It's very easy to miss this one, and it can cause you all manner of aggravation. Here's where you can name it, and the name is already in there, you can see. So I'm just going to next. Okay. The file exists already, it says. Well, I've already set this one up. So I'm going to give it let me give it a different name. Xerox, so see if it'll accept it. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to finish. And then back in this box, you'll see it added this Xerox to the bottom of the list. So I'm just going to close that out now. Now come down, hover over this 36 by 24 tab that you created, right click, and select Plot. And the Plot dialog box opens up. Now here under the printer plotter, click on the little down arrow, and you should have your new, see there's our Xerox in there. So click on that. That's the printer we just set up, and now it's set up for printing on this page. And we could apply that to the layout so that it always comes up for this particular layout, this 36 by 24 layout. And now that's ready to plot. I just want to show you this button here, because sometimes you'll find that minimized, and if you don't know about it, it can be aggravating. This minimize, I don't know why AutoCAD minimizes these dialog boxes. You also have this preview button, so you can click on that and look at see what it'll look like. We've got the construction layer turned on, see, so it was a good thing we did do a preview there. Let's close that down, and we can come back here to the, okay, I'm going to close that off, and I'm going to show you now. up here in the Layer Properties Manager, because this is a really common error to make. This construction line layer, let's turn that off also by clicking on the little printer, and then we can just close that. Now let's try it again. Let's right click, plot, and let's look at the preview. You see now the line is gone. So anything you don't want to print, that's how you turn it off in the Layer Properties Manager. So now this is ready to plot. All we have to do is click on the OK button, and it asks us where we want to plot the file or save the file to. Let's choose the desktop for now and name it something appropriate. In the book we call it Paradise 3. That's fine. And now I save it, and it takes a minute. This little window pops up which tells us we've been successful. If we go to the desktop, we're going to find our Paradise 3 file. Now you can't open this up because it's a specialty file that is set up for the Xerox printer. It could read it, but you can't. But don't worry about that. You can now email that. You can put it onto a disk and take it down to the local blueprinting shop and have them print that out for you. So that's it for this video. Visit AutoCAD in 20hours.com for your free trial and for more information.